Yo, what is good, guys? NQ Demon, and we are back again with another video. This is the second winning trade of the week. I'm done for the week, bro. It's Wednesday, and I'm done for the fucking week, guys. Like, I'm done. I took my 2 wins. I'm in and I'm out of the markets like that. You know what I mean? We made some good money this week, and I'm chilling. Fuck. I'm chilling. Sorry, I'm tripping. Was in and out of the markets for 3 days, and I'm done. 3 day work week, not bad, not bad. Now I got 4 days to do whatever the fuck I want. I do have something important on Friday, so I probably won't be trading. I won't even be trading because I already took my 2 wins for the week, but I have some important stuff to do, so I don't know if I'm gonna be able to upload. I will see. I really will try my best because I really do want to stay consistent, but you know what I mean, duty calls. Life has some stuff that you got to deal with, but you can't make excuses. You still have to try to do what you have to do, and that's what I'm gonna try to do. Anyways, always yapping, bro. I'm literally the yap master. I'm literally the yap master for real. Like, I'm gonna change my name to Yap Demon for real. Like, what the fuck am I saying? Anyways, I wanted to go. Let me give you guys like a recap today. We took a winning trade on finally we got a win on NQ, bro. NQ has been moving mad lately, bro. NQ has been moving like shit. Like, bro, I'd say the last 2 weeks, bro, NQ has literally been moving like fucking dog shit. Sorry for my language, sorry for my French, but bro, it's literally moving like dookie. Like, yeah, NQ has just been moving dookie, bro. Like, I don't know what to do. You know what I mean? Like, I take an A plus trade and it just goes to stop loss. Take an A plus trade, goes to stop loss. You know what I mean? I'm just giving an example right now. But anyways, NQ has just been moving dookie lately, and you know what I mean. The price action has just been shit. But today we finally got a win on NQ because all of my wins have been on US30. US30 has been moving like butter. We are at all-time highs right now on US30, but US30 has been moving like butter. US30 is my bread and butter right now. It's just been giving the best A plus setups and the best movement in general, because you could get an A plus setup, but if the markets don't move nicely, you know what I mean? Like, if we fucking consolidate right after I enter a trade, that's, even if it's an A plus trade, majority of the times the trade is gonna be either a fucking 2 hour long trade before it hits your TP, or it's gonna go to your stop loss after like an hour and a half. So the markets, even though you take an A plus trade, the markets still have to be somewhat decent. And to be honest, lately US30 has been looking real nice. We're just getting expansion like we got in the beginning of July on NQ. That's what we're doing right now on US30, because US30 is the one that is now at all-time highs. So we do have to watch out, because now that we're at all-time highs, we could do anything. But yeah, so that's US30. That's how US30 has been going. Again, the more clean price action, in my opinion. As you guys could see, it just looks more clean and more algorithmic, you could say. And NQ has just been real choppy, especially in here. And then sometimes in here it was a little choppy. Not too choppy in here, but more in here it was just a little choppy, and I didn't like it. Anyways, today we got a nice winning trade going into the morning. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna set a screenshot like right here. I literally said going into this morning, NQ is looking like it's gonna dump. NQ was just looking real bearish going into this morning, and I saw no reason why we would go higher, especially after yesterday, because yesterday was when I expected us to get bullishness, but especially after even yesterday didn't end up really bullish, and we just had more bearish price action. And then going into this morning, overnight we just melted. I knew that this morning session we're probably just going to continue lower and keep going with the order flow that's already has been established, and we're going to go to the draw on liquidity. And today the draw on liquidity was this weekly order block right here, you could say. It was also like an hourly for value gap and like a breaker, but I was really looking at this weekly order block. Shout out to Ryan. He's the one that's been getting me more into using order blocks on the higher time frame. He's one of my Discord members in the VIP. I even learned from my own VIP members, guys. Like, I'm not the perfect trader, you know what I mean? I still can learn from other people. And so he's one of the VIP members that really tried to get me more into utilizing order blocks and mitigation blocks, because I don't really use them that much. Even though I do know about them, I use more just for value gaps. But yeah, looking into that, when I saw that weekly order block, I knew that that's probably gonna be the draw on liquidity, um, or the low hanging fruit, you could say. And so after I saw that the hourly candle was gonna close real bearish and we were gonna close below this fair value gap right here that I have marked out, this bullish fair value gap. After I saw the hourly was gonna close below that area, for me that was a confirmation that we're gonna continue to go lower, and I just needed a 50-minute PDRA to base a trade off of, and that's what we got right here. I have this fair value gap marked up, but it's aligned with the 5-minute and the 15 minutes, so that's why I just marked out this area only. But as you guys can see, this is clearly the 15 minutes fair value gap, and we traded into that, and we closed perfectly below here, showing a clear respecting of that fair value gap. And so yeah, when I went on the 5-minute, I also saw this fair value gap right here that looked more clean, more refined. So I had this one marked out and it was aligned with the 15-minute one. And yeah, we created the order block. If I could draw the line, put the line right here, this is the order block. After we got this huge candle, what the fuck? After we got this huge candle close below here, for me, that was a confirmation that we're gonna go lower. And yeah, at first I said in the VIP room, again, I'm gonna put a screenshot right here. I put a limit at the order block. Around the order block, there was a 1-minute fair value gap. I think that's where I put my initial limit. Somewhere here, I think, yeah, at 20,144, around that area, I put my initial limit. But after I saw that we created a really beautiful 5-minute fair value gap right here, let me go back. After I saw that we created a beautiful 5-minute fair value gap right here, I removed the thing so you guys could see it. I was like, that's low-key a no-brainer to enter there, because you know we could still tap in the order block, but you know the thing that's more likely that's gonna get filled is that fair value gap. And so I was okay with taking a little bit of a worse entry at that fair value gap instead of the order block, and that's where when I entered, when we created that 5-minute fair value gap. And as you guys could see, we traded multiple times. It literally acted as a wall. Like the price did not want to go through that fair value gap. Like it literally acted as a wall. And eventually we did go a little higher, tapped into that order block precisely, and into that 1-minute FEG. It's also a 1-minute breaker, like a 1-minute unicorn. Yeah, it's a 1-minute unicorn too. So maybe a lot of people have also entered there. And yeah, eventually we just tapped in there, we wicked it with the 5-minute candle, and then that's when we started getting our delivery lower. Once we started getting that delivery lower, because we consolidated for a bit, but once we got that delivery lower, we really went lower. Like the markets didn't hesitate or anything. So once we started getting that delivery lower, I was almost immediately at break even. We created this 5-minute fair value gap that I thought we were going to tap into, but we didn't. And then price just ended up continuing lower until it went to my TP. And as you guys could see, we came to that weekly order block and we just started consolidating. So you could tell that that was the draw on liquidity, because once we reached that area, price did not want to go anymore. Like price did not want to move anymore. So that was clearly the draw on liquidity, is that weekly order block. And yeah, to be honest, I don't know what the markets are going to do tomorrow. I don't know if I'm going to be on the charts tomorrow, because I have other stuff that I have to do, and I'm already done with trading because I already took 2 wins this week. So for me, I'm cutting my week short for now. I might still give you guys like a post-market recap or something tomorrow for you guys, so you guys could still see what I was thinking or what I saw in the markets or what potential trades I could have taken, and so you guys can learn from it. But for me, I'm just not going to put on real capital, and we'll just be looking and tape reading and just getting our screen time in, you could say. So yeah, that's the trade, a simple continuation trade with higher time frame and lower time frame confirmation. Continuation trade, trading with the order flow, trading with the trend, and not trying to trade reversals, guys. I see so many people trying to trade reversals. Just don't, bro. You're wasting your time, your mental capital, and your money. Okay, today was a clear example of that. If you're literally just trading with the trend, you're already more in favor. Like your probabilities already are more in your favor that the trade is gonna hit TP. So just trade with the trend, guy. Whoa, what the fuck did I just say? Just trade with the trend, guys, and you'll be aight, bro. You'll be aight. You know what I mean? Today the trend was clearly bearish. So there is nothing more I could tell you guys. Like if you don't think that this is fucking bearish, I don't know what to tell you. You know what I mean? Anyways, that was a trade, guys. Again, really simple, trading with the trend, entering on a retracement. Like, I don't know, guys, it can't be more simple. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not using quarterly theory or any of that bullshit fucking theories that you guys have and stupid things. Like, just keeping it simple. Like, you could literally say this is just support and resistance, bro, because we broke out of this low, retraced. So you could say this is a break and a retest, but yeah, we didn't really retest this area though. But you could say break, retracement, and then we broke again and we retraced. So you could say it's kind of like a break and retest. You know what I mean? But obviously it's not that, but there's obviously a lot more that goes into it. But you could say, if you really want to simplify this strategy, it's literally just a fucking retail trading strategy. Technically, ICT is just a retail trading strategy because we do not trade like the banks at all. We are retail traders. We do not trade like the banks. The banks use fucking algorithms and all of those things. But, you know, we try our best. You know what I mean? We try our best to not get liquidated every single day. Yo, that sounded so weird. Anyways, guys, as you guys could tell, I'm just yapping right now. I'm just trying to make the video longer. I am a professional yapper, almost 12 minutes. So I'm proud of myself. Anyways, it's literally 1:30 in the morning right now when I'm filming this. I just came back from another thing I had to do. So, you know what I mean? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And take care. Again, if you want to join the VIP room, DM me. Please follow my Instagram. My Instagram is @NQDemon. Like and comment. Comments are appreciated. It helps with the algorithm. So please, if you enjoyed this video and if you learned something, like and comment, show some support, give some advice on some video ideas you want to see. Subscribe. Again, around 70% of you guys are not subscribed, and you know, I could really get a lot of subscribers if some of you, at least 10% of you guys, you know, subscribe. So like, subscribe, comment, follow my Instagram at NQDemon. If you want to join my VIP room, just DM me on Instagram or Discord, and both are NQDemon. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.